Come, come. Okay. There's a bird in the tree. She caught it and it got away. And it's sitting up there, right there, at the end of my fingertip. And she's attempting to do something. She knows the bird's up there. She's going up the tree to get the tiny bird. But I don't think she can get up there. No, she didn't.
I think she's stuck.
She's not stuck. Uh-oh.
I don't think I can catch it.
What?
It's right up there. I don't think she's going to be able to catch it. I think she's stuck.
She's not stuck.
She's sitting on the branch waiting for it to come down.
She's trying to figure out another route. It's still up there though. He's right there. He's there at my fingertip if you can't see him. Oops. If I could get a better view of, yeah, there it is. Right there. No, we want to see what she's going to do. I bet the little bird is injured. She's upset her lunch got away. Oh. I have some kitty food.
Wait, there's some in the backyard, maybe?
Look at it.
I don't think she can make it.
She made it down. Oh well. Come get you some cat food.